What's going on, guys? Back in the Passat. I'm in the back of the Passat. I can't get out though, and the reason because of that is the lock actuator is bust. Just doesn't work anymore. So we're just gonna do a quick swap out for a new part, and hopefully that fixes the issue where I can't open it. So yeah, let's get straight into it. All right, I have opened it. Sometimes these deadlock, so you can't actually open it at all, and the only way to do it is open it from the inside. But lucky enough, mine hasn't deadlocked, so I have managed to open it from the inside, and it has made my life easier. All right, first thing we need to do, get this cover off, and it reveals two screws, top and bottom, and we need to take out, there is a Torx underneath there, secret one. I say secret, a hidden one. Yeah, so we'll take that out as well, and then we can just pull the door card away from the door. Flathead screwdriver. There is marks here to take it off, but just dig it in and pull, and it releases the cover for the screws. There's probably a better way to do it, but I don't do the better way. I do the easiest way. There's just two screws holding it in, top and bottom. That one was really loose already. Right, and then I'm pretty sure this one at the bottom's not in properly. Yeah. And then that pulls away. Lift it up. I've already had this door card off before, so I'm in the midst of had a leak, and I had to sort it out. Door card off. Easy as that. We'll just set that down. Right there. Alright. Now the door card's off, it reveals the inner skin. Well, no, the inner panel. We've got to take off all these. I think they're 10 mils all the way around. There's about 8 of them. Well, I say should, it will release. We'll drop this down. And we got the udda. Now that's off, it moves about. However, down here there's a little plastic, I don't know what they're called. It like holds the window to the window motor. Let's see if I can show you it. So this plastic thing right here, it like holds the window motor to the window. Once that's gone, we can lift the window up, and then this will be free then. So let's do that. So you just get a screwdriver and push it out. That's the bottom bit. It's not connected now. And you just lift the window up. Lift the window up. You can wedge it there with something, but it will stay there. And now it reveals the inside, which is what we want, because we need to get to that up there. Don't forget, these will be dropped in the back of the door. There's one there. There's one bit. Right, now that's that. Now that we've got the window off and it's up wedged up there, just need to pop this off. Just need to make sure all this comes out, so you've got access to the inside. Need to disconnect the window like that, and then disconnect it from the actual lock. Hey. Right, now that's out. Just pull everything through. And then you can get this inner skin out of the way, or plate, or whatever you want to call it, out of the way. Just like that. Boom. Right, so these are the spline. There's 2 splines. So this is a spline M8. That's the size of it. There's a secret Torx one behind here, which will then release this one. And then you just it until it all comes out. There you go. So that's released. There's a little, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little, it's like what attaches to the, I can't remember what it's called now, attaches to the regulator, which opens the door. You just pop that out. And there's the old one. Yeah, we've got to swap everything over onto this one, and then we can install. With some camera magic, 3, 2, 1, done. All swapped over, ready to go on. So now it's just installing everything in reverse, in the reverse order that you took it off, and everything should work. Fingers crossed. I've said it now, it won't work. Let's put this in then. Oh, fingers crossed. I need to make sure this goes in. This little there we go. You bitch. There we go. Just put these in so it's in place, and then we can put the cover plate back on for the cable on the other side. Cover plate sounds cool, so that's what I'm going to use. That just pushes in. Just remember to tighten this back up. Use it to torque spec. There we go. That's not going anywhere. Right, now I just need to tighten these up. Sure. Right. Now it's time to put all this back on. This bit, it's a bit harder than taking it off because obviously you've got to feed that stupid clip back through. But yeah, we'll do it. I'll do a quick time lapse so you can see. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase. Right, now that that's in, you just lift it out a little bit so you can get your hand right behind, and then just press your hand in between it. Just make sure you don't push it too much, else it won't sit properly and it will fall out. And it should look something like this when it's sitting properly. You can get your hand through the speaker in there. Look, see my fingers, and you can basically just push one side, hold it with the other. Before we do any more, let's see if this is working. We'll put a couple of bolts in just to make sure it's secure, because we don't want it loose, do we? Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. Right, let's see if it's all working then. Seems to be. Job well done. I just got to put the door card back on, and yeah, that's it. Right. Should have made sure that window works, shouldn't I? All working. Yep, that works. Let's make sure it locks in. Job's a good one. Right then guys, that's me all done today on the Passat. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment down below, give it a like and a subscribe, because subscribing really does help. Trying to hit that 100 subscriber goal, so if you could help me out, it would be much appreciated. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.